Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a two-way slab design using LRFD method based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete two-way slab using load and resistance factor design for light manufacturing use with clear span of 6,000 mm by 4,200 mm and assumed thickness of 125 mm. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 42 MPa, main bars 10 mm bar grade 414, case number 7 for panel design. The uniform load for 125 mm thick slab is 3 kN per meter. A light manufacturing live load is 6 kN per meter. Other dead load like floor finish and partition is 1.92 kN per meter, for a factored load of 15.504 kN per meter. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S15, case 7 panel design, longer span 6,000 mm, shorter span 4,200 mm, slab thickness 125 mm, main bars 10 mm bar at grade 414, strength of concrete 42 MPa, and factored load 15.504 kPa. Use case 7 at m equals 0.7. Refer coefficients for negative moments and shear computations. Use case 7 at m equals 0.7. Refer coefficients for dead load and live load positive moments. Moments at short direction. Positive moment at midspan is 16.709 kN-meter. Negative moment at discontinuous edge is 5.57 kN-meter. Moments at long direction. Negative moment at continuous edge is 21.209 kN-meter. Positive moment at midspan is 9.488 kN-meter. Negative moment at discontinuous edge is 3.163 kN-meter. Given short direction, midspan moment equals 16.709 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 100 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 1.857 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00461. Given short direction, discontinuous edge moment equals 5.57 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 100 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.619 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00151. Use Rho minimum of 0.00391. Given long direction, continuous edge moment equals 21.209 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, P equals 1000 mm, and D equals 100 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 2.357 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00589. Given long direction, midspan moment equals 9.488 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 100 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 1.054 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00258. Use Rho minimum of 0.00391. Given long direction, discontinuous edge moment equals 3.163 kN-meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 100 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.351 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00085. Use Rho minimum of 0.00391. At short direction, given midspan Rho equals 0.00461, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 100 millimeters, the area of steel is 461 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 170 millimeters. Given discontinuous edge rho equals 0.00391, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 100 millimeters, the area of steel is 391 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 200 millimeters. At long direction, given continuous edge rho equals 0.00589, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 100 millimeters, the area of steel is 589 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 130 millimeters. Given midspan and discontinuous edge rho equals 0.00391, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 100 millimeters, the area of steel for both sections is 391 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 200 millimeters. At short direction, the shear force from dead load is 6.406 kN, and live load is 7.812 kN, for a factor shear force of 20.186 kN. At long direction, the shear force from dead load is 5.609 kN, and live load is 6.84 kN, for a factor shear force of 17.675 kN. The nominal shear force is 26.915 kN, less than 110.173 kN concrete capacity. Design recommendation as follows. FC prime equals 42 megapascal, Fy equals 414 megapascal, panel dimension is 6000 mm by 4200 mm, thickness is 125 mm, short direction bars of grade 414, top bars 1050 mm at discontinuous edge, 10 mm bar at 200 mm on center, bottom bars 10 mm bar at 170 mm on center, long direction bars of grade 414, top bars 1500 mm at continuous edge, 10 mm bar at 130 mm on center, top bars 1500 mm at discontinuous edge, 10 mm bar at 200 mm on center, bottom bars 10 mm bar at 200 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.